Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a few unboxings here, and I wanted to go ahead and just do this and get this over with. So really quick, I wanted to go ahead and unbox last month's Allure. We're going to unbox this month's BOXYCHARM. And I'm also going to go ahead and unbox a little goodie kind of thing that I got from Ipsy. So let's just start with this. It's just one item. I got a little pack deal from Ipsy. I think it was on sale for $5. And it was this little eyeshadow palette from Pacifica and this little cute brush from SL Miss Glam, I believe is what her name is. And I just thought it looked really cute on the website. The packaging though is not the best. It feels pretty cheap, but these are the eyeshadows. They are a bit chalky, but they feel very smooth and they seem to be somewhat pigmented. Like, guys, my chongo is holding this thing up. Oh wow. Yeah. There is definite fallout, but it is pretty pigmented. It's on the natural side, as you can tell. Which I do like. It says that it's natural mineral eyeshadows, 100% vegan and cruelty free, so I can definitely support that. So I got it, I liked it, I wanted to play around with them because they're natural eyeshadows, and you guys know that I'm kind of on the natural makeup kind of trend. So I thought this was a good deal, and again, I got that from Ipsy. Sometimes they have little flash sales, and that's how I got it. So, if you guys are wondering why I'm in a robe, it's because it's freaking cold. My heater's on and I am still cold. So, let's go ahead and unbox BOXYCHARM. This is the October month, so it's this month. And it's the different one where now they're doing the regular BOXYCHARM Premium and then the Luxy or the Lux, whatever it's called. So yeah, this is what I got this month, as you guys can see. The first thing that I see in here is something that I have already received. I think I got it, it's possible that I got it from Ipsy, but this is the Tarte's Pro Glow. This is in the shade Stunner. I must have given it away already, so I will go ahead and play with this. You guys know that I really don't like to put stuff on my face. I break out very easily, so I guess this would be a good kind of test or whatever to see how it worked, or if it broke me out or gave me any kind of texture or anything. I do remember this specific shade being really, really pretty, so I do like it because it's kind of very glittery. It's very chunky, but not in a bad way, you know, the glitter that looks blinding. But as you can see, you can definitely wear it in a subtle way. So I'm just building it up to my liking. But yeah, this was definitely something that I really did like. I'm pretty sure I got this in Ipsy because BOXYCHARM is really good at not doing any kind of repeats. So, and I must have gotten rid of it because it was probably old. So this will go into my little makeup collection, which I need to declutter, and it will be coming up soon. The next thing that we got in here is something that I'm not going to be using, but it's the Touch and Soul Glass Pretty Filter, and it's the Glass Skin Balm. The reason why I don't want to use this is because there's a lot of ingredients in here that can be irritating to the skin. Mostly acids are in here, citric acid, hyaluronic acids, and I know hyaluronic acid could be good, but it's also it can irritate sensitive skin, so you have to kind of use it in a certain way. And there's also fragrance in here, which I know for a fact my skin is super sensitive to. But I'm just gonna show you the packaging. I'm not going to use this like I said in today's video, but this will definitely be something that I am offering you guys for a giveaway. So always make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I do random giveaways. Check out the stories, and that's usually where I do them. And I'll let you guys know when I do them on Snapchat too. So if you follow me on Snapchat, I'll be like, hey, go follow me on Instagram, or go do this, go do that to enter the giveaway, because last week I did the Glam Glow. This week I'm doing the Paris Hilton, and maybe next week I will do this one. So be sure to follow me on there. The next thing is the Iconic London, and this is the lip plumping gloss. You guys, I forgot to tell you the prices. For the lip gloss, it is $26. For the highlighter was $29, and for the Touch and Soul filter is $32. It says that this is supposed to be a lip plumping non-sticky gloss. I'm going to try it out. It seems like a color I would like. I like it. I like the color. It smells a little bit minty, and I can feel that tingly. Honestly, I used to hate plumping glosses because of the way that it's staying, but now I think I'm over it because I like it. I did feel it stinging a little bit, but it kind of went away. I guess we shall see at the end of the video if it does plump my lips or not. So the next thing in here is a sponge. I guess the brand is called Illuminati. Yeah, it says Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge, and this retails for $21. You guys, honestly, it's firm. I mean, you should really only judge it if it has water in it, I guess. Although whenever you do put water in it and then like you kind of reuse it, it does like spread more bacteria. So just make sure you do clean out your sponges. I'd rather use a sponge I can throw away, so I just get like cosmetic sponges that I can just throw away. Or yeah, but this could be something nice to use. I'm not too sure how it would work out. I will try it in a future video and let you guys know. And then for the main thing that we got in this month's box is the Ilsa Color eyeshadow palette. There's different shades of which one you can get, but the one that I got was Marvelous Mauves, and these retails for $32. Ilsa Colors, I really do like their eyeshadows. They're mostly pigmented from all the ones that I have ever tried. So hopefully, you know, like this is the same. It's like reflective packaging, but it feels very heavy. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. A little protector. And they feel very buttery, like very soft. It comes with a little brush and a mirror. This is the palette that I got. Honestly, this isn't my cup of tea. I prefer warmer colors, but there are times where I like to wear a little bit of like cool tones. This is what they look like swatched on the back of my hand. As you can see, they're very pigmented, you guys. So I will go ahead and see what kind of look that I can create with it. I'll save that for a future video. I have a sty in my eye, so I'm really trying not to put any kind of makeup on there. Whenever I do use this makeup, I am using disposable like eyeliner ones and mascara ones, just because I know you guys are going to be like, you're using no. So yeah, I'm going to save this for a different video to go ahead and use. Maybe whenever I do the Ipsy one, I'd be able to use this one. I'm not too sure, so that's why I'm not using eyeshadow in this particular video. But that's what we got from BOXYCHARM. I'm going to save this box because I will be decluttering a lot of my shit, and I can go ahead and put it in here so I can give it away. Now let's move on to the Allure box. Okay, so for this Allure box, this was last month's box, and I have already got a peek of what's inside, and I do want to mention really quick, everything that's in this box I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. So be sure to look at the description box to see how you can go ahead and enter to win. So let's get started. First of all, I'm happy that it came in this box. There's a little like coupon thing in here for Laura Mercier. And then of course you have the booklet that tells you everything about it. You guys know I really like this for aesthetic reasons. You can also go ahead and like turn back to this and see more about the products and stuff like that, but I really do like this. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. So I'm just going to touch through this briefly. Like I said, I will be giving this away to one of you guys. The first thing in here is from La Roche-Posay. This is a eczema cream. This is what it looks like here. My boys do have eczema, so this might be something that would work out for them. It's very hard to find a cream that works for them, especially since a lot of them like contain a bunch of gunk and shit, so this might work for them. There's also a Nature Lab Perfect Smooth shampoo and conditioner. It's color protected and it's sulfate and paraben free, which is very, very good. You guys know the trend about being sulfate and silicone and all that shit free, so there you go. And this honestly looks like it might be 2 uses for me, just enough to see if I like it or not, because I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. The next thing in here was something that I was actually curious about. This is from Allure. I do like the brand Allure. You can find it at Whole Foods and you can also find it at Target. This is the brightening facial scrub with sea kelp and French green clay. It's for all skin types. Honestly, this was one of the things that I kind of wanted to try. Just to show you, it's sealed. I haven't tried it. I do want to probably like buy it and see if I like it, and if I do, I will let you know. But I do like Allure because they're for the most part very good for the skin. It's in Whole Foods, you guys. You guys know that Whole Foods really only carries like good, clean makeup and skincare products, and it's also whenever you go to Target, it's in the like natural skincare section. So that's good. The next thing in here is from Dewy Sticks. This is the Luminous Highlighting Balm, enriched with marumara butter. I don't know. It's a sheer universal glow skin conditioning with hyaluronic acid. Again, this is one of the things that do have hyaluronic acid, but since it's just in like a little highlighting stick, it might be good in the areas that you put it, you know, so it stays firm. But this is what it looks like. It's a nice little balm here. It's very subtle. The packaging though is so cute. You're probably gonna see my fingerprints on them. I'm so sorry, but this is what it looks like. Isn't it cute? I really like the stars and I live for it. And this is a full size, I believe. And the last thing in here is one of my actual like good translucent powders that I really do like. I have the full size. This is the Laura Mercier Ready Set Go translucent powder, and it does also come with a little bitty baby poofy. Look at that, isn't that so cute? And then you have the little mini Laura Mercier powder, and this would be cute to take with you on the go. You can even use this like in your makeup bag, you know, whatever. If you carry like a little minimalist makeup bag, that's what I like to do. This is the full size. You can see, isn't it so cute? It's like a little mini. And I still even have like the full size tub. Look at that, they're so cute, right? So this is definitely cute, and this is something that you see all the time, like on the checkout. It's protected with a little tape there. Just remember, as soon as you guys like open this, like take the seals off and everything, that's when it starts with the expiration date, which is this little thing right there. So after you open it, you have that until then to throw it out because it will expire. So yeah, this isn't like the little checkout thing on Sephora, like whenever you're like walking out and they're like, wait, buy more. So really quick, I'm just gonna tell you the like the prices. This here says it retails for $39. I believe the little mini one retails for about $25 because I've seen it there so many times on that little thing, and yeah. So correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Let us all know how much it retails for. The next thing are these two here, and they retail for $14 each, which honestly, I know, you know, people will think different things about shampoos and conditioners, but for a sulfate-free shampoo, paraben-free, and it's a good one. These are all Allure editor picks, so this for $14 each, you know, maybe buy one for 1 week and then the next week get the other. But this is a definite good opportunity to try them out, especially if you've heard about them before, and that's what the full-size products look like. We have the Ciate Dewy Stick, which is the full size, and it retails for $26. The Eczema Skincare, or the Eczema Soothing Relief Cream retails for $14 for the full size. And the last thing is the Allure Facial Scrub. So if you like this, you can go and purchase it for $9.99, or if you would like to try it out yourself, you can also do that. Again, it's available at Whole Foods and Target. I see it there all the time. So this here is going to be a giveaway. Unfortunately, I don't think the box would fit in there, so I'm going to be keeping the box. But if you want to win the products that are inside of here, please go ahead and enter. Let me go ahead and tell you how you can enter to win the Allure Beauty Box for last month. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make this very easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, which is Instagram and Snapchat, and leave me a comment below your handle name so that I know that you did so. And on Instagram, go ahead and just like my last few pictures, leave a comment on there so that I know that you followed me. I can go check it out, you know, do what it is, what do you boo. So make yourself noticed, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So whenever I am going to go ahead and pick a winner, I'm going to check the comments of this video and go look at the handles on Instagram. Make sure that you have been interacting with my feed, and then I will go ahead and pick a winner and send this off. I will be direct messaging you through Instagram, which is why I wanted you guys to go ahead and follow me there so that I'm able to go ahead and communicate with you guys. So yeah, and of course, if your page is private, I guess just you're gonna have to check the request. I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner. It is the 15th. Let's go ahead and announce the winner on the 21st. On the 21st, I will go ahead and contact the winner through personal direct message, and we can go from there. This is going to be for the US only, and if you're under 18, just make sure that you have parents' permission. I don't want to come off looking like a creep. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to enter this giveaway. I just wanted to go ahead and give back to you guys because you are always supporting me, so please do that. And again, I do constant giveaways on my Instagram, so just make sure that you're following me so that you have a chance to win. Even if you don't win this, you still have the opportunity to win different things in the future. So thank you guys again. This highlight is so cute. I'm happy I got it. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, before I let you guys go, I'm sorry. I'm trying to go ahead and post more frequently. I am challenging myself to post daily. Yes, daily. So please let me know in the comments below any kind of videos that you are interested in. I know that I have a lot of requests for what's in my bag planner videos, which I am doing for you guys, but I want to know what else are you interested in. I am on a journey to minimalism, so I will be doing a lot of videos featuring minimalism, especially since I am moving out in 2 weeks, or 2 weeks, what the heck? In 2 months, I will be moving out, so I definitely need to declutter a lot of shit. So that's what I will be doing. So please let me know what kind of feed, what kind of content it is that you are looking for, and I can go ahead and incorporate it into my channel. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you stayed this far, I love you so freaking much. Thank you for watching and supporting me, and I will see you next time. Bye!